This video explains to you how to map a characteristic that appears in your tables in CCS to a dimension in analytics visualization so that that characteristic or custom attribute can be used for analysis. So the first thing to do is open up CCS, search for the analytics table, and you can either enter some criteria if you're looking to add attributes to a dimension or a fact, or just do a full search. Now, suppose you want to add characteristics that were specified for account and bring those into your account dimension. Then you just click the account dimension table here, and this brings you to a new page which shows you the account dimension table, the underlying table, all the fields included in it. So these are all the fields included in the account dimension. Any other tables that support this dimension. So account dimension is made up of the CA_account, ACCT, the bill cycle, CAS division, and customer class. All of these are combined to create the account dimension. It's also referenced by multiple facts. Those are listed here. And then if there are characteristics that are mapped, you would see it in this section. So to open this section up, I press the filter and it allows you to search. So I want to look at all characteristics available. Press search. It lists all the characteristics that are available for this account table, and the one that is mapped is identified by a column sequence number, external account ID. Notice I can see this external account ID in my account dimension, and it's listed below the label custom columns. So now if I want to bring in any one of these other attributes into the account dimension for analysis, all I have to do is press update. Sorry, pick one. So let's pick external account number, press update. And I need to give it a sequence number. So in the account dimension on the left-hand side, there are empty columns available to map these characteristics. So you cannot give a characteristic the same sequence number. They have to all be unique. So I add sequence number 2, press save. And that's the only one I want to add. Now I see that it is external account number has a sequence number. Now I go over here and refresh my data set. Go refresh data set. And I should see the account number, external account number show up here. Voila. Thank you.